Hi, a short video to show you this, I'm going to say this wrong, Marui Tokyo remote control battle tank. This 1/24 scale. This is the M1A2 Abrams. It comes with its remote control, the tank, and all the parts for the tank are still in the box, unused. It only has one aerial is missing. I'll just show you it working quickly. It's in good condition. Oh. So it goes forwards, backwards, turns, talent turns. Cannon goes up and down. So the tank is cosmetically perfect. The add-on bits, there's a little bit that lifts up here and a man sits inside it. Now the gun, this is meant to fire BBs. It stopped working. I don't know why. It just stopped. It does come with little plastic BBs. You load them into here, and that's the switch for turning it on and off. There is one in there already. And then on the remote, underneath is a fire button, and on top is a fire button. You press them both at the same time, and it used to fire, but it's just randomly stopped. I know nothing else why it has done it. It's about a year and a half old, this is, and I imported it from Japan. It cost a lot of money. If I could, I would have sent it back. But I just don't know why it stopped firing. I'll just show you the box. So, because it's an import, everything is as you'd expect in Japanese writing. Now, product. Let's see if I can open the bottle. I'll put the phone down for a second. So it comes with all this packaging. The instructions, which are all in Japanese, but I use Google Lens on my phone to translate it, which works. Inside here we have the parts for the top of the tank, which are unused. This is it was just shipped with the tank. It was down the cannon, and some BBs. It does take, off the top of my head, if I can remember, 8 AA's for the actual tank. Duracell ones are included, but the age of the batteries, I've been using them, so they might not last long. And inside the remote control, it takes one 9-volt battery. There is a Duracell battery inside it, which I will include. Any questions, please ask, and I'll try to help you. So, if you can get this working, You open up the hatch, you load plastic BBs inside. This is the on and off switch for the firing mechanism. Then you close it. The on and off switch for the actual tank is on the bottom here. Batteries go in here. Yeah, so BB's in there and then you turn it on. But like I said, it's not firing. But it's a lovely tank. Thanks for watching.